dish is popular because it's raw and it's fresh. And raw means that it's not cooked at a high temperature. And when you don't do that, you maintain the enzymes, the digestive enzymes alive in the food. So this is why it's very popular. It locks all the flavors and the tastes in the food.
It's actually easier than cooking meat and chicken because it's not as complicated, you know, with the temperatures, and you can improvise.
The advice I would give is to basically get acquainted with the recipes. You have a lot of people who feel lost, like they don't know where to start. They think that it's a completely alien thing. I would actually get acquainted with recipes, and then I would go and explore all the ingredients.
A lot of people want to give their bodies a break, and they want to, you know, just try being vegan for a week or a day.
I would start slow. I would start with one recipe and one dish a day or one meal a day for a week or two, and then increase it to 2 meals a day and then 3 meals a day until you become fully plant-based. Yeah.